Here's how to delete your Netflix history. To delete your Netflix history, you'll have to go through and delete the movies and shows you've watched one by one. We'll delete the show Sisters and the movie Love Guaranteed from our viewing history. Launch your web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to netflix.com. Log into your account and go to the drop-down arrow next to your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on Account from the drop-down. Scroll down to find Profile and Parental Controls, and select the downward arrow next to your profile. Next to Viewing Activity, click View. You'll now see all your recently watched shows and movies listed. Find the show you want to remove and select the Hide from Viewing History icon. If it's a TV show, you'll need to then select Hide Series to confirm if you want to remove the whole series. Within 24 hours, it will no longer be in your Netflix history.